you guys, and welcome back. It's your boy Who, Kimantiijae, with another video. Hey, we back with a video. We back with a video. We back with another video. Hey. Okay, you guys, so today we are back with another freaking video. Okay, as I said like 3 times. Okay, so you know it's back with a new one, because what? We've been having the videos like what? Back to back to back to back. Okay, so y'all better appreciate that, okay? Because I put in that work. Okay, so today we're going to be doing another video on the glue gun method, because y'all liked this so much. When I did my last one, girl, a month or 2 ago, I honestly don't remember, but a few months ago. So today the hair we're using is the Bloom bundle weave, and it's the Yaki straight 4 pieces with a closure. And I got the length, I think 2 10 inches and 2 12 inches. I don't know what, they never say like what is the actual length of the closures, so I'm assuming it's a 10 inch too, I guess. I don't know, because it blended in really well, so I'm assuming it's the same length as the 10 inch bundle. So I don't know, y'all. But today I want to show you guys a different little video. I know it's a glue gun video. Y'all see me do the glue gun last time, but guess what, y'all? I also threw in a little bit of a styling. Now, I didn't show y'all like me actually like curling it, but I did show y'all what I put in the part to like make it a little natural. Because, you know, when you get these little, you know, cheapy deepy hairs from the beauty supply store, the frontals and stuff, the closures and stuff don't look like, you know, the real stuff, okay? So you gotta fake it until you what? Make it, okay? Period. So I always use this powder. This is the Ruby Kisses caramel, I think that's the name, Ruby Kisses caramel powder. I guess it's a powder. I don't think it's a foundation. I think it's just a powder, okay? And I just put that in the part, you guys. I did go in and add some layers. Well, not really layers, because it's a tinted as well, so you can't really do that much with layers, but you could, but I didn't. I just cut a few face framing layers. I cut some in the wet, the bang, oh, 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 oh. The bang, the bang, oh, oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me step back crazy, y'all. I'm not a singer, so I know I can't sing. Before y'all leave it in the comments, it's just a little jokey joke, okay? But I did go ahead and, you know, feather out that little bangity bang, because I feel like it looked a little awkward. Like when y'all get to the end, y'all will see, like it just had like, I don't know, you can see like the different lengths. And it wasn't really blending that well with the 12. You know, it was just giving me very much like chop. So I was like, let me just chop it up a little bit and make it do what it do. And if I didn't say, the style of this hair is Yaki straight. Does it really look Yaki, y'all, to y'all? I don't really think so. But again, this is hair store hair. And I think this was around $20, maybe $21 with tax. Some places sell it a lot cheaper. Some people sell it a lot higher. I've seen some on the internet for like $18, girl, so you can get you some cheap. This is just something quick to do. Again, this is another unit for my mom, because she just, you know, wears different units from time to time. Sometimes every week she wears a different one, or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna quit talking, because girl, I've rambled enough, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And if you guys have tried this hair, or if you're gonna try it after you've seen this video, make sure you let me know down below. And if you do get it, if you never tried it, let me know how you like it, girl, because it's really nice hair. It feels amazing. It's the feel for me and the look of it. Like, it doesn't really look like synthetic hair, and it doesn't give the feel of synthetic hair either. Like, the hair really does feel like that Yaki, but it's like a Yaki blowout type of thing. It's not really like the, you know, like the average Yaki. It's just more like, I don't know, it's more silky than Yaki at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense, y'all, but y'all let me know if y'all tried out, what y'all think down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Oh, and wait, don't forget to subscribe, because why? Look at the work. Look at the quantity, okay? Look at the variety that I give you guys, like, and this is just the beginning, okay? So if you don't want to miss what's next, I think you should turn your notification bell on and hit that subscribe button, so you don't miss out on what's next, okay? And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.